Hello everyone, welcome to social science class. The topic for today's class is the food we eat. So as we all eat food in our daily lives, so don't you think we should learn more about food? So let's start. So here are some food facts and its importance in our lives. So first is food gives us energy to do work, play and study. We do a lot of work in our daily lives. We do reading, we study, we go to school, we walk, we run, we do different work in our daily lives. So to do those works we need energy, and we get energy from food. Second, food is important for our growth. If you observe, we born as a neonate. छोटे से बच्चे से day by day we grow. So to grow we need food. Last thing is, without food we cannot survive. We cannot live healthy if we do not have healthy food. What happens? Like if we do not consume food, if we do not eat healthy food, we will fall sick. And if we will fall sick, ultimately what will happen? We will not be able to live healthy life. Okay, so let's move ahead. Yes, so as we all know, food plays very important role in our lives. So we should know that from where we get food. So there are two major sources of food. First is plants and second is animals. So let's see from plants what all things we get. We get pulses, food grains, vegetables and fruits. And from animals we get eggs, fish, chicken or meat products and milk. So here are the examples of food that we get from plants: food grains, pulses, fruits and vegetables. On the other hand, some examples of food that we get from animals are egg, milk, meat, fish. Moving ahead, so we different people eat different food. So to know more, we should first learn about different types of food. So let's study about that. So here are the different types of food. First is food grains. We have different food grains in India. Some examples are wheat, maize, bajra and rice. We have pulses like arhar, moong, urad and masoor. There are a lot more pulses. You can ask your parents to show actual pulses. Next is fruits. I hope you all have seen different fruits. I have mentioned only 4 names here: apple, mango, orange and banana. Vegetables: pumpkin, tomato, potato, onion. There are a lot more vegetables also. Oils. So we use oil to fry food. Some examples are mustard oil, groundnut oil, sunflower oil. Spices. We use spices to add color and taste to our food. And some examples of spices are turmeric, black pepper, cloves and saffron. Meat products. Meat products includes eggs, mutton, fish and chicken. Dairy products are the products that we make from milk. So first is milk, curd, cheese and paneer. Now moving on to food grains and pulses. In India, people eat different kinds of food according to the region they live in. So all the people eat different kind of food according to the region they live in. Wherever they live, they eat accordingly. Food grains and pulses form the most important part of Indian meals. So food grains and pulses are the major part of our meals. Wheat, jawar, maize and bajra are the important food grains in India. So these are the examples of food grains available in India. Food grains are used to make flour from which we can make chapatis, So at your home you see uh, we make chapatis, puris and different dishes with the help of wheat flour and different flours. Like we use corn flour to make different things, we use wheat flour to make chapatis, puris, etc. So here I have made a table of food grains and the part of India where they are grown and the states. So wheat is grown in northern India, and one example is Uttar Pradesh. In Uttar Pradesh we can see wheat. Rice is grown in eastern India and southern India. Bihar and Kerala are the two states where rice is grown. Jawar and bajra are grown in western India such as Rajasthan. Pulses are important part of Indian meals. They are consumed all over the India with different cereals or food grains. So we can eat pulses with chapatis, we can eat pulses with rice, and also in southern India people use pulses to make sambar, and they eat sambar with dosa and idli. So here are some fun facts. The type of food one eats depends upon the landform, climate and the crops grown in the region one lives. So wherever one person is living, he will choose the food according to the region, according to the landform of that place. People prefer to eat more of the food grains that are grown in that area where they live. For example, if we talk about a Rajasthani person, he will definitely choose bajra or jawar to eat, because bajra and jawar are mostly grown in Rajasthan. Rice is eaten by a maximum number of people in the world. So rice is one food crop, food grain that is eaten by maximum number of people in the world. Not only in the India but in the world, rice is eaten by maximum number of people. Next is fruits and vegetables. So I hope you all are aware of different fruits and vegetables. So let's study about them. Fruits and vegetables are an important part of Indian meal. Other than food grains and pulses, we have fruits and vegetables also. So different fruits and vegetables are grown in different parts of India according to different climate and soil. So like different food grains are grown in different parts of India, same way fruits and vegetables are grown in different parts of India. Here I have mentioned some fruits and places where they are grown. So let's study this table also. Apples are grown in Jammu Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh. Cherries and strawberries are grown in Kashmir. Oranges are grown in Maharashtra, basically in Nagpur. Coconut is grown in coastal areas such as Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Mangoes are grown in Maharashtra, in Ratnagiri and Uttar Pradesh. Many fruits and vegetables are available throughout the year. For these fruits and vegetables, we do not need to wait for a particular season. These are available throughout the year. We can have these fruits and vegetables throughout the year. In every month we can have these vegetables and fruits such as potato, brinjal and cabbage, apple and banana. So we can have these vegetables and fruits throughout the year. But there are some seasonal fruits and seasonal vegetables which are available only in some seasons. So for example, if we talk about seasonal fruits, mango, we get mangoes in summers only and oranges in winters only. Same way seasonal vegetables are carrot that we get in winters and ladyfinger that we get in summers. Next thing is spices. The spices makes the food colorful and tasty. If you see, we add turmeric to make our dishes look yellow, and it also adds taste to the food. Some popular spices grown in India are red chili powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, black pepper and cloves. You can ask your parents to show the real samples of these spices if present at home. So you can have a look. Next thing is oils and oil seeds. Oils are extracted from oil seeds. Oils are used for cooking food, as we have discussed that we fry different things in oil. So some popular oils are mustard oil, coconut oil, groundnut oil and ghee. We use these oils to cook food. So according to the food habits of different people, we can classify the people under two categories. First is vegetarians and second is non-vegetarians. Vegetarians do not eat egg, fish or any meat products. Basically, the people who do not eat any meat product are known as vegetarians. They only eat fruits, vegetables, cereals and pulses. They do not eat any meat product. On the other hand, people who eat egg, fish and other meat products are called non-vegetarians. So, non-vegetarians eat meat products along with cereal, pulses and vegetables. So, this is the major difference between these two. So, this is all for today's session. I hope you have understood the session, you have understood the topic. Thank you so much.